you're scrolling your phone, and someone just made $1,000 while you're watching this. Imagine that. You're simply browsing through your social media feed, and in the same moment, someone out there is cashing in on a digital sale. It's not magic, it's the new reality of the digital age. No office, no boss, just Wi-Fi and hustle. Picture yourself working from a cozy cafe or maybe from the comfort of your own home office. All you need is a laptop, a decent internet connection, and the drive to make things happen. The traditional 9-to-5 is no longer the only path to success. The truth is, people just like you are building serious wealth right now, using just a phone and a platform. They're leveraging the power of technology to create multiple streams of income. Whether it's through e-commerce, content creation, or freelancing, the opportunities are endless. I'm not talking about crypto schemes or overnight scams. Forget those get-rich-quick schemes that promise the world but deliver nothing. This is about genuine, sustainable ways to earn money online. I'm talking about real people using real online platforms, like YouTube, Shopify, Fiverr, Gumroad, and TikTok, to turn their ideas, skills, and stories into money. These platforms have democratized the way we think about work and income. You don't need a fancy office or a huge startup budget, just your creativity and a willingness to learn. And today I'm going to show you how you can do it too. We'll break down the steps, demystify the process, and give you the tools you need to succeed. It's not rocket science, but it does require effort and dedication. Step by step, no fluff, no hype, just straightforward, actionable advice that you can start implementing today. We'll cut through the noise and get straight to what works. Just facts, tools, and results. You'll see real examples, real tools, and real results from people who have walked this path before you. This is about empowering you to take control of your financial future. So let's talk about how to stop consuming and start creating your own digital income. It's time to shift from being a passive consumer to an active creator. Let's dive in and explore the endless possibilities that await you in the digital world. We're in the middle of a digital revolution, the biggest shift in wealth since the industrial age. But this time, factories aren't built from steel. They're built with Wi-Fi and creativity. Let me explain. Apps like YouTube, Fiverr, Shopify, and TikTok, these are more than just platforms. They're digital gold mines. But here's the twist. You don't need money to mine this gold. You need skills, courage, and consistency. The gatekeepers are gone. You don't need a resume. You don't need permission. You just need to show up, provide value, and publish. And the people winning today, they're not the ones with MBAs. They're the ones with the guts to get started before they felt ready. Here's the part you came for, the real meat of the matter. 5 profitable online business models that can transform your financial future. These are models that real people are using every day to build serious wealth. And the best part is, many of them started from zero, with nothing but a dream and a laptop. Model 1, content creation. This is where creativity meets opportunity. You create videos, posts, or podcasts that educate, entertain, or inspire. Your content can be about anything you're passionate about, from cooking to tech reviews. You build an audience and monetize their attention. 3 main income streams can fuel your earnings. Ad revenue from YouTube or the TikTok Creator Fund, which pays you based on views and engagement. Brand deals where companies pay you to feature their products, often leading to lucrative partnerships, and selling your own stuff like digital products, merch, or courses. This can include ebooks, exclusive content, or even personalized coaching sessions. You don't need millions of followers to make a significant income. Even with a few thousand engaged fans, you can start earning. It's all about the quality of your audience, not just the quantity. Example, a faceless YouTube channel making slideshows about productivity earns $8,000 a month from AdSense and affiliate links. Imagine the possibilities. Model 2, freelancing. This is perfect for those who have a specific skill set. Got a skill? Writing, designing, editing, translating, coding? The digital world is your oyster. You can turn that into income by offering your services online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TopTal for high-end tech work make it easy to get started. Start with small gigs, build your reviews, and raise your rates over time. As you gain more experience and positive feedback, you can command higher prices. Example, a graphic designer started charging $25 per logo. After 6 months, he charges $500 or more and has clients in 12 countries. No job interview, no gatekeepers, just skills, service, cash. It's a straightforward path to financial independence. The freedom to work from anywhere and choose your clients is a huge advantage. Model 3, digital products. This is pure magic. Create something once and sell it forever. Think Notion templates, ebooks, mini courses, Canva templates, guides, checklists, planners. The possibilities are endless. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Stand.Store make it insanely easy to sell your digital products. You create, Upload, link your payment processor. Done. It's that simple. Example, a college student made a digital resume template. One product, one day. That's all it took. Over $20,000 in passive sales in a year. Imagine the freedom that comes with passive income. Model 4 e-commerce, print on demand. This is for the creative entrepreneurs. Don't want to ship boxes? You don't have to. The logistics are handled for you. Use platforms like Shopify for your storefront, which makes it easy to manage your online business. And Printful or Printify to handle printing and shipping. They take care of the hard part. You design it, they ship it. It's a seamless process. T-shirts, mugs, hoodies, wall art, journals. Your creativity becomes a product line. The sky's the limit. And yes, AI tools can help you create designs, making the process even easier. No inventory, no warehouse, no headaches. It's a hassle-free way to run a business. Model 5, affiliate marketing. Promote someone else's product and earn a commission. Earn a cut of the sale. Simple. It's a great way to make money without creating your own products. You don't need to build anything. Just share products you trust and believe in. You just share products you trust. Your audience will appreciate your recommendations. Platforms. Amazon affiliates, ClickBank, Impact, Share a Sale. These platforms make it easy to find products to promote. Some YouTubers and bloggers earn 6 figures from affiliate links alone, just by adding value and making helpful content. It's all about trust and authenticity. Which model speaks to you? Each one has its own unique advantages and opportunities. You only need one to start building. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Choose your path and start today. Let's talk results. This is not theory. These are real humans doing real things. People just like you and me, who decided to take a chance and make a change. They didn't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. They started with what they had and where they were. And the results? Well, they speak for themselves. Case 1, the student turned creator. She started a YouTube channel reviewing productivity tools. With no prior experience in video production, she used her phone to record videos and Canva to create eye-catching thumbnails. No fancy camera, just her phone and Canva thumbnails. She was consistent, uploading videos every week, sharing her honest opinions and tips. Her authenticity resonated with viewers, and her channel began to grow. Today, she earns over $10,000 per month in AdSense, affiliate, and brand deals. Her channel has become a trusted resource for productivity enthusiasts, and brands are eager to collaborate with her. Case 2, the mom with a planner shop. She created digital planners in Canva. As a busy mom, she needed a flexible way to earn income while managing her household. Uploaded them to Etsy and Gumroad. Promoted on TikTok. She used social media to reach her target audience, sharing tips on how to use her planners effectively. Year 1 sales? Over $50,000. Her planners became a hit, helping other moms stay organized and productive. Working during her toddler's nap times. She balanced her business with her family responsibilities, proving that it's possible to achieve success without sacrificing precious moments with her child. Case 3, the ex-barista turned freelancer. He taught himself video editing on YouTube. Determined to change his career path, he spent hours watching tutorials and practicing his skills. Landed his first Fiverr gig for $15. It wasn't much, but it was a start. He continued to improve his craft, taking on more projects and building a portfolio. Fast forward, he lives in Bali, making $6,000 per month editing TikToks for influencers. His hard work and dedication paid off, allowing him to live a lifestyle many only dream of. These people didn't have a roadmap. They figured it out. They took messy action. They embraced the uncertainty and learned as they went along. They didn't let fear or doubt hold them back. And now they own digital assets that pay them on autopilot. Their stories are a testament to what's possible when you take action and believe in yourself. So what are you waiting for? Your success story could be next. 3. The only thing missing is your decision to begin. Now, let's talk about what really matters, your mindset. The internet doesn't reward perfection. It rewards action. It rewards the person who says, I'll figure it out. I'll launch it messy. I'll get better as I go. Every creator, freelancer, or digital entrepreneur you admire, they were once where you are. They didn't wait to be ready. They started scared. You're going to fail at something. You're going to make cringy posts. You're going to get ghosted by clients. But every failure is a shortcut, a teacher, a signal that you're on the path. So here's the rule. Start, publish, learn, improve, repeat. Momentum is greater than perfection. So I'll ask you again, what will you build? Because someone out there is making $1,000 per day online, and they're no smarter than you. They just started earlier. So start. Start messy, start small, start now. Because a year from now, your future self is going to look back and say, thank you for taking the leap. Comment below, I'm in if you're ready to build your own digital income stream. Let's go from scroller to seller, from consumer to creator, from broke to building wealth. No boss, no limits, just Wi-Fi, and you.